Hey everybody, it's your girl, it's Bridgett Harrison. I'm here today. So I was really trying to decide if I wanted to make this 2 videos or 1 video. But anyways, I made it 2 videos, so I hope you guys stick along for the ride. I know you're like, what is she doing? Yes. So I have Aucoin in here and we're pre-lightening her hair. So right now I'm adding Lightner. I use Wella's Lightner with a 20 volume developer, and I have Olaplex mixed in as well to help slow down the breakage of the hair, of the lightener breaking the hair down. So as you see now, I'm about to tone her hair. So I used camera at first, so I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I had used some silver 7SM silver metallic. It just didn't give me the coverage I was looking for. I wasn't going for a blonde with a hint of silver look. I wanted more of a silver violet metallic look. So you're gonna see I'm on here. I'm gonna do some like highlights or lowlights with the violet as well. But once I rinsed it out, I realized like this ain't it. So I just went ahead and added some Joico, some Peter, and some metallic violet. And it gave me exactly what I was looking for. So, you know, so we let it sit, we let it process, and we rinsed it out. And then we started to prepare for our mold. So the mold is the most important thing. So you see, she set up on the dryer 15-20 minutes, and I had my Babyliss mini. I had some other minis that were smaller than that, but they were defective. The H2 Pro, they will burn your client's hair. Okay, that's another conversation. But anyways, so you see I'm curling her hair. You see the tone of her hair. You see the color. So you can see it's like a metallically silver color. This is more what I wanted to go for. I wasn't looking for a complete like silver or gray look. So I was really excited, especially with the turmoil. And you guys, I'm loving this pink background. You tell me what you guys think about that. And so I'm just going through curling her hair. I had previously cut her hair. I started the prep on Saturday. We did this on a Monday. So I started her prep on a Saturday so I could make sure I knew exactly what it was I wanted to do. And you know, so now you see I'm curling her hair. She has a Pixie. And I'm curling, and I'm curling, and I'm curling. No, I'm just playing. I play too much. You guys, make sure you subscribe to my page and make sure you follow me on Instagram too. Bridgett Harrison _hair _MUA. MUA is not Mua. It's makeup artist. I really want to get in front of the camera, you guys, but you know, it's easier for me just to sit over here and talk over, especially when I'm working. I be so focused, but I'm gonna do better. Like, I promise I'm gonna do better. Hope you guys are enjoying this. So we're finishing up the hair, and we're about to go into this makeup. So before I started makeup, I prepped her skin with the Amber Leaves moisturizer. So now I'm using some Kevyn Aucoin MAC and Black Opal foundation, and I also set her with the Chanel number 20 loose powder. You guys, Chanel's powder is my best friend. Like, it is a kid must have. And I have the number 20 and I have the 30. I thought the 40 might have been a tad bit too ashy. So when I have a darker skin complexion, I like to use my YSL 40, just a little tip. And so now I'm using my MAC Skin Finish to help set as well as I contour. Oh, and I'm using my NARS Kabuki blush brush in my Morphe. I think that's the 511. You guys, that NARS and Morphe brushes are my must-haves in my kit as well. I'm gonna have to do a video about that. So for her eyes, I wanted it to be really dramatic. Not too dramatic, my dramatic. Some people might be like, that wasn't dramatic, but I wanted it to really, really pop and pretty much flow with her hair. So first, I always use like a brown. So I used the Makeup Forever brown. I think it was like 956 or something to that degree. I don't know what color brown it was. It was from Makeup Forever. But as we go on, and I always use the brown so when I blend out, because I'm like really into blending. So when I blend out the color, it just already has something there to blend into and just gives it a nice finish. Oh, and then I use the Chanel powder to set up under her eyes. Now, sometimes depending on what I'm doing, I like to do the eyes first, but for some strange reason, I didn't. So I use the powder to set up under her eyes to catch the loose powders that are coming out. Now, here I'm using, so for her eyes, outside of the Makeup Forever, I used the total, like, all Urban Decay. And that was the Urban Decay liner pencil. I use that as a base, so it can help the shadows to pop. Oh, and I used some Chanel moisturizer on her lid. You guys gotta try that. Like, I got this from Molly, King Molly on Instagram. She always moisturizes the lids before she starts putting her colors on there, and it just makes the colors like really, really stand out. So I use a pencil, I blend it in, and then once I blend it and get it to the desired look that I'm looking for, once I do that, I just pretty much go in with my shadow. And even that pencil alone, we could have did by itself. So right here, I'm using an Urban Decay shadow. So I used Flash, Mushroom, and Solatisse on her eyes. You'll get a better description and a complete breakdown on my Instagram page. So you can go to my Instagram page, find this look, and it'll have a complete breakdown. But you look at that purple. That Urban Decay was popping. That Ether pencil was popping. Like, that's what look at that. You see that glitter? You see that shine? That's what I was looking for. I just wanted it to pop because I normally do like some very, I don't want to say conservative, but it's not just over the top. So for this right here, I just really wanted some popping eyes, some popping shadow. And she has the eyelids for this. Everybody don't have these eyelids. She has the hair and she has the eyelids. So it was like, we just have some fun, girl. And that's what we did. So, you know, you see I'm putting on the shadows. And at the end of the day, if I put 5 shadows, if I put 2 shadows, if I put 1, I like to blend. And when I say blend, I mean blend. So I put my colors on, and I make sure they blend. And be like, blend, baby, blend. Blend, baby, blend. And I use the MAC 228 brush to blend. And this brush I'm using here is the 242 by MAC. These are like, I use probably, I don't want to say 9, but I have a few brushes that I really use. So here I'm applying the liner. And I use Inglot number 77 black liner. My fave. I use some pencil liners just depending on what look I'm going for, but when I really want it to stand out. And when I really don't want it to go anywhere, I use the Inglot 77. And so, you know, once I finish her liner, we do her lips, I comb out her hair, play with her hair, and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, for details, go to my Instagram, Bridgett Harrison _hair_MUA. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll be back sooner than later.